welcome to new production project. Okay, it is my second part video of this exit project. So you know exit project, one of the best project in this sort. It is boundary thread of this exit project. It's exit promotional token distribution, a decentralized domain name service where you domain and identify by NFT. So you want to earn this exit token, please stay with me. There is many details here. So website, white paper, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Medium, LinkedIn. There is a many link here. So I comment soon. Exit project is decentralized domain and top level domain service where your domain and ATLD identify by NFT, a totally emission of the promotional program of exit token. We hope exit will be massively successful with the help of our beautiful community. So okay, everything is all of this project. Okay, so now visit this website. So what is exit token economy, roadmap, team, partner, more, contact, so reserve, so language. So okay, there is a many language. Can choose for your language. So okay, white paper. So what is exit? So exit is designed to decentralize the internet and overcome monopolistic control over domain name and top level domain evolution. DNC solution where an uncased to NFT preferred by you identify you domain a top level domain exit DNS is blockchain. Okay, there is a many details here. I will start on exit ecosystem, exit browsing and browsing extension, decentralized hosting, exit token. So exit token is an agnostic uses and governance token releasing Intel based on the financial chain. Exit token will be used by sell and action domain and top level domain whole token holder will get stake when domain the TLDs are processed and action token holder have the voting power to size or rebook any domain or TLD if the community decide it should not exist. So exit ADNs. So tokenomics. So total token issue will be echo sum NFT. So tokenomics exit token structure. So pre-sale token IDO exchange offering. So exchange offering. So there is a many details here. So token devoluntary matching, and so all ancillary tokens should go to an exit wallet and token until the June 2023. Our roadmap, it is killer roadmap with experienced team. So I hope this project has a bright future. So one of the best projects. So I hope this project give us a very good profit. Okay, and don't worry investor, powered by team. So honestly member of this project. So all member is honestly of this exit team, exit partnership. So any question or research to us to go and we'll get back to you shortly. Okay, white paper of this project. It is summary. So there is a table of content. So what is the internet administration, internet operation, internet security, what is DNC, what is a domain, what is top level domain, what is web browser, how are the domain currently processed, so how are the top level domain currently processed, so how is the domain harness maintains, so what is are the advantages and disadvantages of this structure. Okay, there is many details here. So internet operation operation, internet security, what is the internet. So there is many details here. How are the top level domain currently processed. Okay, so everything is all of this project. So I hope this project has a bright future. Okay guys, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this structure. So okay, I can understand this about this project. So okay, don't know number today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.